I'm here with Yaron. He is a dermatologist from Israel, and we're discussing his experience at DHI Athens, where he came to be trained at direct hair implantation. My question to you, Yaron, is did you learn what you expect to learn during this visit?
Actually, this is the main thing which I was surprised when I was trying to find a place to start studying the hair restoration art. I was searching the net, I was asking my friends, and I couldn't find so many places that you can really have a very good hands-on training. And what I was also telling today to the doctors that trained me, to Dr. Costa, is that I was surprised by the way that patients are cooperating and the way that teachers are feeling free and without pressure to let you experience this new field, which was excellent in my eyes.
Thank you very much. We are engaged in this mission to change the world through hair restoration. And what better ways to change the world than through education? Of course, I love the two Greek words, pedia and arete. But of course, we start with education. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed your training.
I enjoyed it very much.
Thank you.